Hello everyone, welcome to this exciting tutorial where we will create a mesmerizing beach-themed artwork. Imagine the gentle waves, sandy shores and little touch of nature brought to life on a round canvas. So let's dive into the process and bring the beach to life on canvas. For this, we will be using a round canvas, fluid acrylic color to paint the waves, sand for the shore, seashell for the ocean charm, molded clay to craft the bushes and glue to hold it all together. To start, I am spreading a plastic sheet over my decks to protect it from any mess. I am sketching a rough outline of the shoreline. This helps guide the placement of colors and elements. I am starting with Prussian blue, pouring it directly from the bottle onto the canvas. Using a brush, I am blending and adjusting it to create the base for the water. Next, I am mixing turquoise blue and white paint in a paper cup, making sure to use less white than turquoise blue. Once it's mixed thoroughly into a nice light turquoise shade, I am pouring it onto the canvas and spreading it with an ice cream stick. Moving the stick in circular motion creates the look of gentle waves. Now I am adding light blue to the canvas and repeating the same circular motion with the ice cream stick. To help the paint spread evenly, I am tilting the canvas slightly. For the waves, I am pouring white paint in specific areas. Since I don't have a straw, I am using a pen cover to blow air into the white paint. This creates a natural wave-like effect. I will keep repeating the same process to build layer of waves until I am happy with how it looks. The result will depend on the reference I am working with. While the canvas is drying, I will clean up my decks and prepare the bushes using molded clay. I am shaping the clay into small bush-like structure and adding texture with a knife. To ensure the paint hold well, I am applying a layer of gesso. Once it's dry, I will paint the bushes with desired shades. Now that the clay work is complete, I am returning to the canvas. I am pouring glue onto the lower section of the canvas and spreading it evenly. Next, I am sprinkling sand over the glue, making sure it's distributed uniformly. To give the sand a white sand effect, I have mixed it with a little salt. Finally, I am attaching the clay bushes, seashells and some beads with glue. And here it is, the final result, a beautiful beach-themed artwork that captures the essence of the seaside. I love how the waves, sand and little details come together to create this scene.